Hello guys, so welcome to Kayo tutorials. So we are going to continue with another part of this tutorial. So modeling a bedroom over here in 3ds Max. So let's get started. As you can see over here, we have started this working over here. Let's go into rendering, view image file, and open up a reference over here. So very first of all, what we'll be modeling over here is like we'll be modeling this light over here. So for that, let's go into this view over here. Let's take a line tool from here to here. After taking a line tool over here, let's slightly push this up. Go into rendering, enable in viewport, increase its thickness a bit over here. So now what we'll be doing over here is like, let's go to the top view over here, select this. Let's again take a cylinder right from here, create a cylinder over here. Just push the cylinder up a bit and drag it down. Also, let's go into this view, convert to editable poly. Again take one more cylinder right from here. So slightly push the cylinder up over here and let's give a taper modifier. So let's assign a taper modifier and let's give a bit of curve to it. So select that and increase its size a bit, drag it down, increase this size and reduce its thickness. So slightly just push it over here in this way. So now we are going to duplicate this books over here. So let's just duplicate this books over here. So let's mirror this, copy it in x-axis, drag it till here and shift and copy this book over here and make few copies on the top like this. So now we are going to create this side kind of a table over here. For that, let's go to the top view over here. Let's take again a box over here and slightly drag this box a bit out, resize this, just push this up over here and make sure it is much closer to the bed and duplicate it down. So if you want, I can just convert to editable poly. So definitely it's not going to come in the scene over here. After that, we can create this kind of a lamp over here. So take a cylinder over here, push it up and reduce its height segments, convert to editable poly, go into the edges over here. So select these edges, Alt and subtract these edges, and let's give a bit of chamfer over here. So we can add some chamfer over here, select these edges and let's give a bit of chamfer over here. After that, I'll be again going over here and I'll go onto the top view over here and I'll take a sphere over here. After taking a sphere, slightly push this up a bit over here in this way. So I can just reduce its segments a bit, convert to editable poly, go into this and delete this, and let's give a FFB cylinder, go into this, resize this. We can resize this stuff like this. So as you want to adjust, you can easily adjust that, not a problem. So make sure you are scaling this more down. That's it. So save your file, keep saving your files over here. Slightly just push this down. So whatever is visible over here clearly, we are going to make that. After that, let's go over here and let's take one copy of this book over here, drag it down, resize that, push it inside if you want. You can slightly push it inside, duplicate it, scale that stuff, and let's slightly rotate this over here and slightly rotate this. After that, again take this over here. I think we can slightly scale it a bit inside over here. That looks much better. So let's go into this and shift and duplicate it to 90 degree over here and slightly just push it up. Again make one more copy and scale that a bit down. So let's select this all, and after that few details needs to be generated, like creating this bottle and all this. So for generating this bottle over here, we'll be taking a line tool over here. So let's just take a line tool over here. So after taking a line tool, and let's give a modifier called lathe modifier. So into the lathe modifier, we go into this and line vertex, activate this on this. So select this and this, and let's give a fillet over here. So let's slightly give a bit of fillet over here. That's it. So once you're done with this, you can slightly drag this on the top of this book over here. Actually, it's behind this book, so it's not on the book, or else you can just keep it over here. So slightly you can push it accordingly. After that, save your file again. So we will be modeling this small kind of a watch over here, basic over here. Let's take a cylinder over here again. Activate this auto grid over here. So select this in this way. After that, convert to editable poly. Let's go into the edges over here. So select this polygon, control and click on this edge, and let's give a bit of chamfer over here. Click OK. So you can just select this polygon. You can also select this polygons over here and control and click on the edge, and let's again give a bit of chamfer to it. And click OK. So once you're done, we can slightly scale this. So as it is at the very far, so we won't be detailing that much. So select this and slightly let's just extrude it out that way. So we are not going with that many details right now for this, or a small clock. If you want, you can go with that. So slightly rotate it in the axis you want to drag it out. Okay. So slightly just push it over like this. So just give a color to it. So guys, if you have any doubts, please write it in the comment section over here. So what we'll be doing over here, first one thing left out is like, I'll just attach this. So select this polygons, and you can just bridge that. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.